Let me ask you a question. Do you want to know how to learn at work? Yes? Then keep watching this video.
Hey, this is RajivKumarLuv, the life skills coach, welcoming you to this video. Through my videos, I want to inspire you to improve your life and achieve your goals.
In this video, I want to give you some tips on how to learn at work. So here we go. Number 1. Follow a coworker during his or her day. Number 2. Accompany a salesperson on customer calls. Number 3. Attend a management staff meeting. Number 4. Meet top managers in your organization and volunteer to do assignments for them. Number 5. Go to a seminar on a new topic. Number 6. Develop a relationship with a mentor. Number 7. Fill in for another employee at a staff meeting. Number 8. Volunteer to join a team. Number 9. Volunteer for assignments that stretch your capabilities. Number 10. Gradually increase the scope of tasks assigned to you. I hope you found the video useful. Yes, then please share it, like it, comment on it, and most important, subscribe to my YouTube channel to keep getting more cool videos like this.
So thanks for watching this video. This is RajivKumarLuv, your friend, your personal coach and guide. I'll be back with yet another video because I love making videos for you. So see you again in my next video. Until then, take care.